5 Best Ways to Lose Lower Belly Fat Without Exercise. Your trainer and dietitian will repeatedly tell you that exercise is essential to reduce belly fat as well as for long-term weight loss management. Unfortunately, for many of us, different medical conditions make it nearly impossible to hit the gym. If you are someone who finds it impossible to exercise for whatever reason, do not despair. 6 Best Ways to Lose Lower Belly Fat Without Exercise. 1. Learn to cook. Several studies have linked weight loss with poor cooking skills. People who do not understand cooking usually rely on restaurant-cooked or packaged food, both of which are filled with unhealthy carbs. On the other hand, people who understand cooking do not only use healthy ingredients but also include different ingredients, which help them make their food healthier and tastier. If you want to master the art of long-term weight loss management, the first thing you must do is learn to cook. 2. Stick to a healthy diet and avoid cheating too often. Practicing clean eating and sticking to a healthy diet is the easiest way to lose belly fat. When it comes to long-term weight loss management, a healthy diet isn't just about having a balanced meal, but equally also about consuming organic and variety-based foods. Try to include different colored foods into your meals every day. Since different color foods have different vitamins, consuming a colorful bowl will allow you to fill up on the essential nutrients and vitamins. 3. Eat foods rich in protein and fiber. In your daily routine for weight loss, include lots of protein and fiber if you want to lose weight without lifting weights. Protein is essential for growth. More importantly, it gives a push to the body's metabolism. Fiber, on the other hand, is different from other foods in the way the human body digests it. Unlike other foods which are digested in the small intestine, fiber is digested in the large intestine. It, therefore, slows down digestion, keeping a person feeling full for longer periods. Fiber, further, enhances nutrient absorption by prolonging the digestion time. Thus, increased protein and fiber intake allow individuals to reduce their calorie intake, which in turn, automatically transforms into natural weight loss. 4. Stock your refrigerator with healthy foods. If you want to get rid of that stubborn belly fat, get rid of all the unhealthy and junk food in your refrigerator. Seeing unhealthy foods increases one's cravings and in turn, reduces one's chances of sticking to a healthy diet. Believe it or not, a scientific study proved that people who store fresh fruits are more likely to lose weight than people who store packaged snacks in their refrigerator. 5. Stay hydrated. Other than sticking to a healthy diet, staying hydrated will also help you get rid of stubborn belly fat. There are a few reasons behind this. More often than not, when our body craves for foods bad for it, it is simply thirsty. Thus, staying hydrated allows individuals tracking their calorie intake to fight cravings. Further, several studies have concluded that drinking water before a meal allows people to reduce their calorie intake. Lastly, regularly drinking water is the easiest way to get rid of the habit of drinking sugary drinks and packaged juices.